What's going on, you wonderful people? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Woo! So we just had the Apple event today. You know, Apple talked about the HomePod Mini, the iPhone 12. So in today's video, I just want to show you what my specs, what I'm going for. Because you know, iPhone 12 is here, and I do like to create content with my iPhone. So if you're new here and you like these type of videos, subscribe if you're new. Let's get to it. So in today's video, you know, Apple did release the iPhone 12. We had the Apple event. They announced it. You can see the pre-order dates. This is for the iPhone 12 Pro. iPhone 12 Pro pre-order date of October 16th, available October 26th. If you want the Max, pre-order date for that is November 6th, available November 16th. Now, they got the iPhone 12. We got 4 iPhones this year. We got the iPhone 12. Pre-order date on that is October 16th, available October 26th. And the Mini pre-order date is November 6th, available November 16th. So let's start off here with the first iPhone 12. As you can see, bam, you know, hello, we got 5G coming to the iPhones. You know, 5G, I'm like, I would rather have taken the 120 refresh rate, screen. That's what I would take, because technically 5G is not really gonna work. It's gonna give it some time before 5G starts actually coming in to the software and everything else, and we start to actually get it to actually work. And look how long it took for us to actually get 4G and LTE and stuff like that. But we got 5 colors for the iPhone 12. You got a color of white, black, green, blue, and product red. Check them out right here. Ultra fast. So, we'll start off at $699 for the Mini, $799 for the regular iPhone 12. You got the big news, 11% thinner, 15% smaller, lighter, 16% small, Mini news. So, you got iPhone Mini. iPhone Mini is for, people that don't want the big, giant phones like we have now. Let's go to the specs real quick. So here's the specs. As you can see, all this right here on Apple's website. If you want to check it out for yourself, you can watch the video, watch the keynote all over if you didn't get to see it. But here's the colors we got. We got black, white, product red, green, and that blue color. That blue color, woo! That blue color is fire. But check them out right here. They only go up to 256 gigabytes for capacity. The size and weight. But here's the screen size. So the screen size, as you can see, 5.4. 5.4 is more like the old iPhone 4s, 4S. So, if you still have one of those and you like the smaller phones, Apple did come out with the iPhone Mini, and they didn't increase the prices, which is good. So, but check it out right here. It's Super Retina display on all of them. HDR display, True Tone, wide color, water resistance. A14 chip. Here's the camera specs. Because I'm going with the iPhone 12. So I'm just letting, the iPhone 12 Pro. Why? Because I like to create content with my phone, better video camera quality. But I don't know. If you want an iPhone 12 or 12 mini, leave it down in the comment section below. Bro, the big boy. The one I want. The big boy 5G. Ooh, look at that blue color, dog. The blue color is fire. The new blue color. So yes, I will be getting that. Check it out right here. You got, you can always watch the event, watch the video they made on it. Less bezel, more screen. Look at the gold. The gold is a nice color too. So don't get me wrong on that. The gold is a nice color. Case glass. We got a new ceramic shield screen that's tougher than glass. So we're gonna see how that is. I ain't gonna do no drop test because I ain't dropping my iPhone. But yeah, check it out. The gold color right here, stainless steel design. On the side, well, that's clean. Can't wait. But let's go to the specs of this. So also in the box, what you will not get is the wall adapter or the headphones. A lot of people now use wireless headphones, so you don't need those. And then the wall adapter, that thing was so ass. I ain't gonna lie, that thing ass. I never used none of mine. I still got all my iPhones that I ever had. It's still in the box. All of them, even the charger, still in the box. The headphones, still in the box. Don't even use it. All I do is take out the phone, wireless charge, call it a day. But iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max. So I'm going with the Pro Max. But you want the Pro, still got your options. The colors we got is silver, graphite. Graphite is like a space gray, just a little bit lighter. Gold, and the Pacific blue. Woo! That Pacific blue. Got to get that, especially if I might get the watch. I had the blue watch, the blue phone, whop out like bam. But that's another story. So on these capacities, you go up to 512. Me, if you need it, go for it. But me, I don't think I need it that much. So I'll probably just do 256. Screen size, you got a 6.1, 6.7. Now the iPhone 11 Pro Max was a 6.5. So a 6.7, a little bit bigger, I'll take it. Why not? Better quality. I always go with the bigger ones, but you can see these right here. HDR display, True Tone, same 14 chip. Here's the camera. Now the camera, they went on the camera. So the camera got upgrade, a little bigger lenses, let in a little bit more light. Especially if you want to get the stunning photos or videos on your phone. Woo! Because nowadays, that's the way I create content. I'm an iPhone content creator, filmmaker, so I create all my content with my iPhone. So might as well just go stay with the phone. People ask me, why don't you just get a camera? Because I like my phone. You can just pop it out of your pocket, get something real quick, get the shot using the native camera app, edit the video, change the lighting, you get to go. The camera, you gotta go home, you gotta plug it up to an iPad and MacBook. I ain't got that much time to do all that. You gotta be fast in this economy. So video recording, that's what I'm excited for. So I can't wait to pre-order it for you guys and show you guys an unboxing on it and show you the video recording, show you the watch. So the watch might be coming soon. Never really been a fan of Overwatch, but I figured might as well try it out. Check it out. You got Apple Pay and carriers. So let's see. Leave a comment down in the comment section which you would go after, the iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, or 12 Pro Max. Me, you already know me, 12 Pro Max. We'll do some pricing real quick on both. 5G, yeah, we'll have to test it out because something it's not gonna work as they say. It's promised gonna work right here. No, it's not gonna be like that. It's gonna take time to build up to 5G. So, but hey, can't be mad at it though. So you got the LiDAR scanner. I like the little MagSafe. We got MagSafe coming now where you can do for more wireless charging and connecting stuff, accessories, and the little clear case. That case, I might go for that too. Bam, just boop. Got the little charger, turbo charge. Yeah, we gonna get that. That's for sure. That's no doubt. But this is what I'm going for. The box, and now you see that all the boxes on the iPhone 12 models are smaller. So there you go. But hey, leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know which one you're going after. Me, I'm letting you know I'm going for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'll be ordering that on November 6th and getting that coming to here so I can do the unboxing for you guys. But if you did like this video, subscribe if you're new. And it's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. And I'll catch you guys on Thursday with another Streamlabs video. So you might want to check out my Twitch in the description. So you might be a part of that video. But other than that, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.